guys, it's Kathy, the Crafty Chica. Welcome back to my channel, and I have another Cricut Joy tutorial for you. Now, I love the Cricut Joy. I made a whole bunch of the insert cards. These are all designs from the Cricut Design Space, and I love how they look with the glittered background, and I thought I would level up and use my own designs. So I'm going to show you how I did this. Now, these are the Cricut Joy insert cards, and what I did was I cut my own paper to match the size of the card and of the insert that I wanted to put in there. These are my Crafty Chica papers. They're nice and creased, ready to go. And for the inserts, I decided to use glitter. So I cut up some glitter stock to match the insert portion. Okay, next I went to Design Space and I picked out a design that I had made in Procreate, and I uploaded it to Design Space, and I used the remove tool to make the background transparent and all of the little fallout pieces as well. And I really love that it has these different tools to clean up your image. Any little spots or dots, you can get rid of them so that you get a nice clean cut. Once you're all finished with that, save your design to your library and label it so that it will be there so you can use it for any future projects. That's what I did here, and now I am inserting it into Design Space, and I'm sizing it to fit the card. I love this portion where you can actually tap on this and center it to go right where you want it to go. Using the Cricut Joy card mat, you want to slide your blank card into the layers, and this is really cool because your design will only be cut on the top layer of your card. And now you just follow along with what Design Space tells you to do. You insert the card mat, you click go, and now it will cut. You'll know when it's done because Design Space will tell you, and then you simply unload your mat. You can see that I removed the card from the mat. This is what it looks like. It has these little fallout pieces still attached. I'm just going to use my tool to weed those out. Now for the insert glittered portion, I used dry adhesive to put that, to affix it inside so it would shine out. And the other card, I glued the letters on top of the glitter stock. I love how these cards came out, and I can't wait to make more of them. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And for more tutorials, visit craftychica.com. Thanks, guys!